Okay, boys and girls, what we have here is one of my model IC engines, and it's mounted on the starter that I made for IC engines. My starter is powered by a 3/8 variable speed electric drill. I have to drill and tap the top plate for my different engine assemblies. But if we have any luck, we're going to turn on the switch, and then we're going to press the starter button. And there you have it. The engine's up and running. And it's an overrunning clutch right here, which means that the starter can move the engine, but the engine can't move the starter because it's a one-way clutch. I'm quite happy with this. And I just wanted you to have a look at it. I had tried to make a video with a different engine, but I couldn't get the engine to run quite right. That's all I had to show you, and I'm very happy with this.